the time I had question, can I still do this?
My whole life has been all in. I put everything up for it.
Back, we just clap.
I don't even know. What a whirlwind of a race. It's really made it hard work. Don't know what was going on for a couple of laps here, back in like 6th place, just not knowing what to do, but managed to find some form and pull some time back towards the end, and what a day, what a year.
Know this day is gonna come, right? The level that I get paid to race at, and with that, I think it's time for me to retire and call it a day.
But I just want to thank Husky for all the years, and they've been kick-ass, and everyone on the team that I'm gonna miss. They've been family for 12 years. So
being a factory racer just doesn't come to anyone. It's a very rare thing to have.
Factory Racing is lining up. The final turn, the checkered flag awaits. Arminas Jasikonis wins the race.
Whatever's next for me will be just as fun and just as glorious. I'm too blessed to be stressed about it, and I'm grateful for everything that I've experienced and that has come from this career.